parent to 3 kids, and they, like most kids and adult-sized kids, love the holidays. The lights, the decorations, the sweets that their parents try really hard not to let them have the other 11 months of the year. And the presents. Oh, the presents delivered by Santa Claus and his faithful flying reindeer. Speaking of reindeer, my kids and I had a bit of fun this year making up a story called Reindeer, Recon. The idea is that in the weeks leading up to Christmas, Santa sends out his reindeer individually to do reconnaissance of all the neighborhoods around the world. You know, to make sure all the streets are where they should be, chimneys are accessible, map out the rest stops and whatnot. I figure Santa probably last upgraded his sleigh back when they included the nav package whether you wanted it or not, and he sure as heck isn't paying $200 a year for updates in the form of a DVD with new Starbucks locations. Anyway, we've had such fun with this story that I decided to create a real reindeer recon tracker that captures location data and sends it to the cloud and appears on a handy web dashboard that Santa can use to keep tabs on his magical agents. The hardware I chose to use for this project is the Blues wireless note card with a companion note carrier. The note card is a cellular and GPS-enabled device-to-cloud data pump that comes with 500 megs of data and 10 years of cellular service for $49. The note card can be used with a host microcontroller or single-board computer, but it can also be configured as a standalone asset tracker that captures GPS readings and uploads those to the Blues wireless cloud service Notehub.io on a periodic basis. To configure the tracker, I created a JSON script with a note card API request needed to associate the note card with one of my projects, configure its data upload and download times, and set how often it tracks the location of its reindeer. To apply this configuration, I connected the note card to my computer, then used the note card playground to send each request one after another. With my reindeer recon trackers configured, it was time to deploy them. I don't actually have access to any reindeer at the moment, so I just took each tracker for a couple of rides one at a time. And while I drove around listening with the kids to the Jingle Jangle soundtrack, each note card faithfully recorded my location and used its cellular connection to send that data to the cloud. Once I had that data in the cloud, I used the route capability of the Blues wireless Notehub.io service to send the reindeer location data to my own cloud applications. In this case, I'm sending the data to an Azure function that saves location data into an Azure Cosmos DB database. Finally, for the dashboard app, I built a simple web app using a Svelte.js and Mapbox application and deployed it with Vercel. When it loads, it fetches the latest location data from Azure and displays the reindeer on a map. As their locations update, they happily gallop across the screen. It was a fun project to work on with my kids and a demonstration of how easy it is to use the Blues wireless note card and Notehub.io along with cloud services and front-end tools to create simple yet powerful asset tracking applications. For more details about this project, click the link below for my write-up on Hackster.io. And to learn more about the note card, visit blues.io. Thanks for watching and happy holidays!